Hey guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. Matthew and Solomon, and I appreciate you tuning in today. We're out at the Vilano Beach Pier. You can see the pier we walked out. And the Causeway Bridge. We're out here. We're going to try a little pier fishing. It hadn't been the greatest week for fishing. Had a lot of weather, but that's part of being on vacation. Just go with it. So I've got my rod in the water. They're still doing their thing, but we're going to try. We'll see what happens. They call it fishing, not catching. So we're just going to enjoy one another's company and try to have a good time fishing. You ready, Solomon?
Yes, sir.
He broke the curse this week. He's caught a few.
Matthew has too. Actually, Matthew's in the lead.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. We'll be right back. It don't count if you don't get it over the rail. Matthew was fighting a nice one. It got away from him. Okay, we're fishing with live shrimp and what's that cut bait called, Matthew?
Mullet.
And mullet.
Mullet.
I got a real good bite right off the bridge post here, but
Yeah, they're down there. There's little ones.
tide's moving, so we've got a lot of current.
I've caught some crazy things on sabikis. It's you hung up.
There you go. What the heck did I get?
What is that? Oh, it's like some kind of coral.
Yeah. Never know what you're gonna catch. I was pulling it up and got hung on the bridge pylon, got a little soft coral, so we'll put it back. Okay, nobody's catching anything. We'll check back with it and check back with you here in a little bit. Okay, guys. Turn my microphone back on. We've been out here for an hour and a half or so. Caught a couple small ones. I guess the most exciting thing is the big one Matthew lost. That's why they call it fishing, not catching. Supposed to enjoy yourself. So I think Solomon's over here catching another sail catfish.
Whiting.
Oh, okay. There you go.
About time.
You're not going to feed the family with it, but we'll take it.
I can add it to the other one. Finally caught some.
Oh, Erica, his wife, my daughter, and my wife were, I think it run to Hobby Lobby or something. They come by and snuck up on us while we was out here on the pier. Check to see if we was doing any good. Here, show us your fish, Solomon, so you got video evidence.
Seriously. All right, just a little whiting.
We've tried.
That's a tiny one.
we've been trying to catch fish this week. Like I say, we had 3 days of real bad weather, which is great for relaxing, because you're really not going to go out and do anything. I can sit in my chair and look out over the ocean, and as far as you could see to the horizon, it was nothing but white caps. That's not good fishing weather, but we got another day. We might go try to get out early in the morning, go up here to the inland lake, which is just, you know, a couple miles this way, and try it, because this inlet flows right by the port we were at this morning, which is right on the other side of the bay, and then it goes out in the ocean. If you go up this way a couple miles, they have, I forget the name of the lake, but it's a tidal lake, so there's a narrow spot where when the tide's coming in, it's rushing one way, and when the tide's going out, it's rushing another way, and it funnels into a narrow spot, and there's a lot of good fish in there. Matthew and Solomon went fishing the other day. You can probably check out Solomon's channel, Third Beard Fishing, and see, they did pretty good, but I didn't go with them because they was taking their kayaks, so we might go do that tomorrow. No, not a whole lot to this video. You get to make some new friends. Met a nice lady over here, been talking for quite a while. That's part of it, is meeting new people. Nice girl here with a camera taking beautiful still shots. So unless something else happens, if we catch something big, that's probably going to do it, guys. As always, we appreciate you watching. If you would, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.